So this is gonna be the second method of modifying this power supply. This one is gonna be adjustable from 12 volt up to 16 volts. The model number. And still this one is not gonna be used as charger because it's not good. Four screws. So I'm gonna have a resistor on the same place. I'm gonna use a 5.6K from this pin to this pin. I got two wires here. I'm gonna solder them to this leg here on the trimpot, same as before, and the other wire is gonna go here to this point. So this is the trimpot for the voltage. That's the only one I'm touching here. I'm gonna turn it all the way up like this, and slightly down. So all the way up, slightly down. So I'm gonna use a 20K potentiometer on this one too. So it is done. I'm gonna test the voltage range. So I have the potentiometer all the way down. Let's start. Okay, 12.46 volts. All right, that's the lowest. And let's test the highest. $16.05. all right, so 12.47 volts and max 16.05. okay, so I'm gonna have it on max and shut it off and start. So let's start. Perfect. And have it on the lowest and shut it off and start. So I'm gonna start. Alright, no problem. Sometimes they don't start up, then I might have to change resistors, but it's okay, no problem. And the light is on, that's good. So I'm done with this one, it works okay. This is the model number. Alright, thank you for watching, bye.